Hi guys, let's do the analysis for tomorrow's trade which is 26th of July. जैसे कि हमने बोला था कल कि अगर 78 के लाइन को ये क्रॉस करेगा नीचे की तरफ तो वी विल सी अ गुड डाउन ट्रेंड और एग्जैक्टली वही हुआ आज के ट्रेड में जब 78 को हमने क्रॉस किया तो वी वेर एबल टू सी दैट एक अच्छा सा ड्रॉप आया हमको 78 के नीचे 70 तक गया अगेन 72 हमने बोला था 72 के नीचे जाएगा तो और नीचे जाएगा बट 70 के पास अगेन इट टुक अ सपोर्ट एंड इट हैज़ कम अप टू close to around 70 79 78 where again the same story starts that अब यहाँ से क्या होगा बोल के नाउ अभी हमें मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली 3 पॉइंट्स देखने हैं इस चार्ट पे जैसे आप देख रहे हैं इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स नाउ देर इज 7982 7986.3 एंड 7993 अल्टीमेट जिसको अगर इफ़ द spot is able to break that level 80 or 80-10 80-20 is confirmed. Now if this tomorrow morning if the opening is near 7982 and if we are not able to cross 7982 again it might come to the sell side and we might take this direction. This is one of the options that could happen. Otherwise what could happen is if we break 82 again we have to see till 86 are we getting an uptrend. If not at 86 again there could be a retracement, so we need to watch out for this retracement. Are we getting bearish candles, are we getting red candles, are we getting more selling coming at this level? If we are able to cross 86 then again we will attempt 93. That's how the chart movement looks like. The only thing that we need to look here very clearly is whether we are able to break these levels now. Each of these levels there has been a breakage, same within in these ranges. You see here there's a breakage, so this line of 79863 is the most important. Safe trader should think of buying above 79863 for a target of 79935. don't keep big targets for now. Your targets या आपका टारगेट जो भी होता है वो 5 से 6 पैसा होना चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. इवन ऑन द डाउन साइड आपका टारगेट 10-12 पैसे को मत रखिए, कीप इट एट 5 to 6 पैसा, क्योंकि द मोर वी वेट फॉर फंस जाएंगे, वी विल गेट ट्रैप्ड. जस्ट लाइक हाउ टुडे पीपल गॉट ट्रैप्ड हियर एट दिस लेवल, that now it's come up and if at all it crosses above this, all the people in this zone will be trapped. So you have to make sure that you don't get trapped until for this monthly expiry, and wherever you're getting opportunities of making 5 to 10 paisa 5 paisa kind of a profit, you need to take the profit and exit. So that is my strategy, and these are the critical levels that I've indicated here in green color. So whenever you are reaching this critical levels, you can be on the buy side. You can even buy CE or CE on the options, or you can even buy futures. And in case of a downtrend, you can buy PEs. Again, based on these levels which are recommended, you can buy for PEs. All right. So let's see how the trade goes tomorrow. Happy trading.